Welcome everyone! In today's tutorial, we'll be creating our take on the classic vanilla bean cupcakes. This recipe features a moist and tender yellow butter cake and beautifully speckled with seeds from real Madagascar vanilla beans. To finish, we adorn them with delicate sugar flowers, elevating their look into something truly timeless and refined. Welcome everyone! In today's tutorial, we'll be creating our take on the classic vanilla bean cupcakes, an indulgent treat inspired by the iconic cupcakes of Magnolia Bakery in New York City, made even more famous by the beloved series Sex and the City, starring Sarah Jessica Parker. This recipe features a moist and tender yellow butter cake, delicately perfumed and beautifully speckled with seeds from real Madagascar vanilla beans, giving it that unmistakable depth and elegance. Each cupcake is crowned with a light American-style buttercream that is rich and buttery, yet not overly sweet, and infused with the same exquisite vanilla. To finish, we adorn them with delicate sugar flowers, elevating their look into something truly timeless and refined. Behind this recipe is a thorough and exhaustive process of research and development. Each detail was carefully considered to ensure that each bite delivers a truly elevated and enjoyable experience, something that feels both comforting and luxurious. Most importantly, this recipe was developed with a home baker in mind. Whether you're preparing something special for your family and friends or offering it as a part of your home-based baking business, this is the recipe you can confidently create, serve, and be proud of. Now let's begin. Hello everyone! I hope you enjoyed the video tutorial for our vanilla bean cupcakes. So for the Recipe Club members, I'm telling you, these are the best cupcakes you're going to taste. We have spent months trying to develop a cupcake that would not just be at par with the Magnolia Bakery version, but even surpass that quality. So, natikman ko na to actually before. Pero, I will not let this opportunity pass by na hindi ko tikman ngayon because this is really the best. It's not too sweet. The cupcake itself is very buttery. It melts in the mouth. It's very tender. The buttercream is light as an air. We did not put too much buttercream kasi, I know there's such a thing as umay factor, as we would say. But these are, I'm telling you, really one of the best cupcakes I've ever created. And not just that, for those of you na gustong ibenta ito sa inyong mga home bake shops, if you have a home bake shop set up already, hindi mahal. So, very reasonably priced, affordable ang costing nito. And masarap, madaling gawin. So, you can make this in just minutes. Literally, mixing the batter, mixing the frosting, decorating it. It's a breeze. So, I'm telling you, don't let this opportunity pass by. Magsisisi kayo because I'm telling you this is a spectacular recipe. I'm going to taste it again. Actually, I'm borderline diabetic, but I'm going to take my meds. May police ako dito, may food police kami. So, nagbabantayan sa aking sugar intake. But this one, I'm not going to say no to this. It always gets me. We placed real Madagascar vanilla beans, which these are very fresh. They're very plump and juicy. We got a lot of seeds out of it. And it just permeates the whole buttercream and the cake itself. So merong vanilla bean yung cupcake, may vanilla bean yung buttercream frosting. So all you get is this wonderful, intense vanilla flavor, but it's not overpowering. Sobra siyang sarap. So again, I'm inviting you, if you still don't have the recipe, please go to our Facebook page, search Chef Joey Recipe Club, Chef Joey Pratt's Recipe Club. The link is in the description box below. And purchase the recipe because this is just something that you can add to your repertoire. Serve to your family and friends, sell to your customers. Everybody will be very happy with this cupcake, I'm telling you. So that's it. Until our next recipe, I hope I see you soon.